Welcome to an exclusive look behind the scenes of Hipo's research and development department. Our R&D team is composed of highly skilled professionals with diverse expertise. Leading the team is Mr. Loewy Xu, our esteemed Chief Technology Officer and visionary. With rich industry experience, Mr. Loewy spearheads our innovation initiatives. Working alongside her is a talented group of researchers and developers. From brainstorming sessions to prototyping and testing, our R&D team utilizes state-of-the-art technologies and software to bring ideas to put ideas into practice. Our R&D team meticulously tests each product to ensure its reliability and performance, exceeding industry standards. The team at Hipo embraces a culture of innovation and constant learning, pushing boundaries and exploring new horizons, ensuring that Hipo remains at the forefront of innovation. Please continue to follow Hipo's vibrant R&D department for more exciting updates. Welcome to contact and visit us.
Do you want to learn more about us? Welcome to watch the video about our producting department.